I'm back again, and now I'm going to be showing you how to use this Socrative student app. So again, this looks a lot like how the online one is. When you first come up to it, you won't be logged in. It'll look like this. So the student does not have to have an actual account. You actually will just have students enter the room name. And then this is what it'll look like before you launch an activity. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the activity. For this one, I am going to do the open navigation, but I am going to let them see their final score. So now it's going to ask me to enter my name. So let's say sample again, sample student. All right, so you can see all of the questions at the bottom. This will not be shown if they have to do the questions in a specific order. So the students can read the question. You weigh 78 pounds, and you want to know how much your kitten weighs, but he won't stand still on the scale. While holding your kitten, you step on the scale and it reads 82 pounds. How much does the kitten weigh? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and enter the correct answer. All right, so this is one that is multiple choice, but it's a slightly different format because I just want to see if the students can pick out who has the right thinking. And it includes an image so that the students kind of have a reference point to refer back to. All right, so I like to get this one wrong because a lot of students are going to say Alex. So it says a single paper clip has a mass of 3 grams. Okay, so this one in the class we've talked about how the bag is going to have a mass as well. So I want to see if they're going to figure that out. So that's actually true. And you can see at the bottom that they're highlighted different colors. These colors correspond to the type of question that they were answering. So now we're on to a short answer question. So this short answer question does have a correct answer. So this one, they have to figure out how much 1 star is. And one of the interesting things is they can say 7 for this one. I allow 7 grams. I also allow 7 space grams because I know that some students are going to just input it slightly different. So I am going to just go ahead and say 7 grams. So I kind of have just a lot of different examples of the students having to think in different ways, but they all center around that same topic. So this one, all right. And I try to include a lot of like real life examples in my quiz just so that the students have to practice thinking, and it kind of gives them a basis to imagine and to visualize. All right. So here you can see another true or false question. And you can zoom in. So for kids who need to be able to see the image better or see the numbers, they can zoom in on it. All right. Again, they can zoom in if they need to, and this one has some different ideas. I get some of these right and some of them wrong. All right, so now at the bottom you can see all the different colors that represent the 3 questions. Because of the format that I selected, the students are able to flip back and check their answers. And then they go ahead and click Finish Quiz. And I did allow them to see their percentage, so as you can see, the student says they got an 80%. All right, and then they'll click yes, and it'll pull back where you could insert another activity. So I'm gonna go ahead and log out. And then the student is done.